Udah tak record?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Komang Nita Fridayanti. You can call me Nita. I am as a moderator here in this debate section. Right now, we have Group 1 versus Group 2. Group 1 as a pro side and Group 2 as a contra side. So, let's we move to Group 1 to introduce themselves.
Sorry, Group 1 is on contra side.
Sorry, Group 2. Please tell your name as a pro side. Group 2, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Eka Uliana Puspitawati. I am from Affirmative Group, and I am a first speaker.
Hello, my name is Lohile Rahmayanti as the second speaker from Affirmative Group.
Hello, my name is Dewa Ayu Ratna Lili Pastika from Affirmative Group, and I am as a third speaker.
Hello, my name is Nikutut Ali Juniari. I'm a first speaker in the Affirmative Group. Thank you.
So let's move to Group 1 as a contra side. Please tell your name one by one.
Hello everyone, my name is Johanna Nova Angelina, and I'm as the first speaker of this opposition team. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Eni Priscilia Yolanda, and I am as the second speaker in this team.
Hello everyone, my name is Isabel Fitria Deresta Zulkarnain, and I'm here as the third speaker or last speaker in this team. Thank you.
Okay, let's start this debate section. The first speakers in pro team can have this time to talk. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. According to the motion, we are from Affirmative Group agree with the motion about homework should be banned because according to the news about the schedule from senior high school, they were study at school from 7 o'clock in the morning until 3:30. So the students from senior high school feel tired and cannot do the homework given. And according to Edukasi Kompas, the mental and physical condition from the full day school students not in the good condition because they already push their energy and mind through the lesson in the school. And related to Kompasiana, the students feel that the homework is a burden for them. It is because when their mental and physical were tired, automatically they become unfocused while doing the homework and think that the time they got at home should be used for resting their mind and physique and not doing the homework because they already undergoing the full day school. And the last, according to IB, the Asian parents, the students' health can decrease because they are physically exhausted at school from morning until afternoon. And when they think the homework is a burden, so it makes their minds also get tired. That is the reason why students' health can decrease. Because of the reason that I explained above, the homework should be banned.
Okay, thank you. First speakers from Group Pro. Let's start move to group contra. The first speakers in group contra, time is yours.
Thank you for the time. I don't agree with motion that homework should be gained because one of important instruments that used by teacher to measure students' knowledge is homework. I don't agree with the preposition team that said before the children will be tired because the full day school. But I don't agree because how can the teacher assess their daily their daily knowledge in the school? I think one of important instruments is homework that used by the teacher to measure the knowledge of the student. Homework is very important for students to repeat the learning material provided by the teacher while at school. In learning, homework helps students to know and have knowledge about the material that they studied. Homework is one of important than other instruments because homework teaches students to take responsibility for their work. I believe if homework is banned, the students will not understand well the material being taught, and the teacher will have difficult assessing the knowledge and abilities of students. Not only the assessment, but homework has many benefits to students. For example, imagine we as a student before in school or as a college students in our colleagues right now. We don't have homework. What is happen? I think we will be lazy and we can organize our time wisely. But if we have a homework, we can develop positive study skills and habits that will encourage us to use time wisely. That's why I don't agree with this statement that homework should be banned because me as the first speaker state that homework one of important instruments that used by teacher in the school. And some benefits of homework is given to all the students. My friend as the second speaker will tell you more why homework should be banned. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We start the second speakers from group Pro. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time that given to me. As the condition that provided by the first speaker from the affirmative group, full day school, we know that students are spend a lot of their energy to doing full day school. So if the teacher give the student homework again, it will not effective. By physical and the mental student are tired, even though the teacher give student up to 5 set of homework, it will useless because it will not enter to the student memory properly. With the less time left at home, student will not difficult to manage their time. But if there are so many activity, it can make student difficult to manage their time. They have to manage their time to doing homework, to doing home activity, take the time to take a break to prepare their physical condition for the tomorrow learning activities, and take the time to prepare their material for the tomorrow learning activities also. So if the teacher give the student homework again, it will make student difficult to manage their time because the student have less time at home, but they have to doing a lot of activities. Even sometimes students cannot take a break. So in the tomorrow learning activities, they can follow the learning activities properly. So it can better when the teacher uh, allow the student to focuses on prepare their physical condition and also the material for the tomorrow learning activities. So as the affirmative group statement, we are agree with the motion. Is it that homework should be banned? That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the second speakers in a pro team. Let's move to the second speaker on contra team. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time. My teammates have raised some of her points, and they are about why homework shouldn't be banned. Just like what my previous teammates has said, I would like to add that according to a study of more than 3,000 students over the past 15 years, spending at least 2 hours a night doing homework is connected to accomplishing better grades in English, maths, and science. The Department of Education has said that spending any time studying in school has benefits, but the effects were much greater to those students who put in 2 or 3 hours each night to do their homework. There is a link between homework and academic achievement. The time when learners spend on doing homework will develop more than academic skills alone. Homework sessions encourage them to use their time wisely, work independently, and engage better with the subject matter. It will also improve learners' memory and critical thinking. Epstein and Van Voorhis also stated in 2001 that homework not only reflects on the success of the student, but also the success of the school. So, by the explanation above, do you guys still think that homework should be banned? Think again wisely. Homework is greater aspect in education more than you think it is.
Okay, thank you for the second speakers in contra team. So let's move to the third speakers from pro team. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. As my friend said, we agree with the motion that is homework should be banned. If we look at the students' daily activity in following learning process, they are very tired. They go to school in the morning and came in the late afternoon. In that condition, can students think, well, if we give homework for them? Of course not. They also cannot hang out with their friends in their neighborhood if we give them homework. Not only environment, but their family too. They cannot get hurt with a family because they have to meet school demands. Doesn't this hurt them? And doesn't this, no, thank you. Doesn't this hurt their mental health? This is only in the offline class. And how about the online class? In the online classes, we know that students are consistently at the front of screen attending full day school from the home. They are tired of staring at the screen while thinking about the subject matter given. This also can disturb their health of their eyes as they just stare at the screen all day. So that's why we are strongly agree with the motion that is homework must be banned. And the first speaker from the contra group said homework can assess students. We can give them assessment in the school, in the learning process. For example, we can give them quiz in the school at the learning process. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.
Can I interrupt?
I already finished about my statement.
Okay, thank you for the third speakers in pro team. Let's move to the third speakers in a contra team. Time is yours.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here as the third speaker of the opposite team. So we don't agree with the statement that homework should be banned. So as we heard, the second and third speakers from the affirmative side stated it will not be effective because they already had a full day school. But I think that is why homework is important to make students repeat the materials. Thus we can consider homework as a practice for the students at home. If there is no practice, then excellence cannot be achieved. Through homework, we can also develop our study habit to be better, like we can grow the positive vibe in our daily life and we can be more productive. Speaking of their mental and physical, that has been said many times from the affirmative team, I think it is based on how students manage their time to do the homework. They consider homework as their responsibility. So I think by this, homework also gives us benefits that is useful for our lives, such as makes us use to manage our time. It teaches us to manage our time. And also at the school, teacher might know the students' abilities in learning, but our parents don't know. Our parents might don't know about it. So I think homework can also help both parents and teachers to identify students' learning abilities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the third speakers in a contra team. Okay, let's move to the last speakers in a pro team. Time is yours.
Thank you for the time that given to me. So, it can be concluded that according to the affirmative groups, homework should be banned because based on VR group's opinions, homeworks it will burn student in terms of mentally and physically. And also because the schedule from senior high school, they were study at school from 7 o'clock in the morning until...
Sorry, Juni.
Yes.
Can you repeat it? Because the time
Okay.
have not started. Okay, time is yours.
So, it can be concluded that according to the affirmative groups, homework should be banned because based on VR books, it will burn a student in terms of mentally and physically. And also because the schedule from senior high school, they were study at school from 7 o'clock in the morning until a 3:30, so that almost all students feel tired and cannot do the homework given. And also, from the statement that we have been previously submit, the opinions of our groups are based on reliable source, real field evidence. So the opinions we convey are not subjective. From reliable source of information, our group can strengthen our opinions that homework should not be given to students because it is seen from their full day school hours that they are physically and mentally not working well. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the last speakers from the contra team. Let's move to the last speakers from contra. Sorry. Thank you for the last speakers from pro team. So let's move to the last speaker from contra team. Time is yours.
Okay, but before, I'm so sorry to the affirmative side, but I think it is general. I heard that you are only talking about senior high school, but we are not only focused to senior high school, but it is general for all students. Okay, to sum up what we had stated, homework is very important for students to repeat the learning material that is provided by the teacher while at school. And it is also giving us many benefits in our daily life, making us be more productive and teaching us to manage our time. So homework helps students to know and have knowledge about the material that's being studied, helping both parents and teachers to identify students' learning abilities. So in conclusion, we disagree about the statement homework should be banned. Thank you.
Okay, this debate is already over, and we have judges from group 3 right now. We have judges to give a comment and decide who team becomes a winner. So,
thank you for moderator. I'm from group 3 and I'm first judges. From group 2 affirmative team, from first speaker, she still has a contact, but the references from first speaker is valid because she find the website from compass.com, and I think that is valid, that website, but she is not fluency when she speak. And from the second speaker, she doesn't do the eye contact, she just read the material. And from the third speaker, she doesn't use their body language, but her statement is good and relevant. And I think the make group 2 is strong, that she stat the references or her opinions, that the references that it makes she debate or she affirmative, their affirmative team is strong or good. And from the group 1, from the first speaker is fluency when she speak, but she doesn't put the fact or references. She just that on her opinion. But in the second speaker, she doesn't on her camera, but I know her network is unstable. But she put the references. She put also the references, but their statement, I think that is not clear to make her statement about the contra is not clear. But from the fourth speaker, she just put their opinion, but she is not put the references that is valid. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Suci. The second judges from group 3, please tell your comment.
Okay, so I'm as the second judges from group 3, want to state my comments about the debate section. First of all, to be honest, it's hard to choose pro side or con sides because there are plenty enough for me, but I will be focusing on the body language and the vibe every speaker gave to us. Okay, so from pro side, pro group, the body language is good, but not all the speakers use appropriate body language. Just play the eye contact, but not use their hand gestures. From contrast side, I can see if some speakers, maybe first and then second speakers, still feel nervous and not relaxed to state their comments and opinion about the topic. So I'm as the audience see the speakers, I feel more relaxed and more comfortable to see the pro side because each speakers give relaxed vibe to us and not too nervous. But the contrast side, I can see only, to be honest, I can see only Abel can feel relaxed enough to state her opinion. But contra group has strong opinion and strong references to state their thought about the topic. Okay, enough for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Bella. So that's judges Please tell your comment and also decide the winner.
Okay, so I'm the third judges from group 3. I want to give my statement or my comment about the group that have been presented their debate. For communication, I can listen to the arguments they convey quite clearly. And for pronunciation, it is also clear, but can be improved again. For body language, I prefer to contra group because in my opinion, in affirmative group, the expressions can be played again so that when arguing, they can look more assertive. Just like my the second judges said before. And for the argument, for the first speaker in affirmative group and the second speaker in contra group, already good because they complete the arguments with facts. And then honestly, it's hard, like my friend said, it's hard to determine who won because both were good, but I choose the contra group because the way they convey the argument clearly and with their body language, like their expression is good. So we can say that we are the judges from group 3. We choose the contra group for the winner. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the judges. The winner is from group 2 as group 1 as a contra side. Congratulations, group 1.
Okay, so we will have second section from